The chat feature in Docyt enables you to collaborate with your account manager on transactions, invoices, receipts, and documents. In this video, you will learn how to use chat. Open Docyt and log in with your credentials. The chat icon is visible on all transactions, invoices, receipts, and documents. For example, if you want to send a chat about an invoice, go to the invoice queue. Find the specific invoice and click on the chat icon to open the chat window. Type in the text box located at the bottom of the chat window. You can tag another user by using the @ symbol followed by their name. Press the Enter key or click the Send button to send your message. Chat messages will appear in the counter in the global header. To access all of your chats, both unread and read, click on View All Messages. Use the drop-down menu to toggle between read and unread messages. Click on any chat to reply, edit, or view it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Sign up for Docyt University today to expand your knowledge. Access the link in the description field of this video.